Hi, welcome to Java programming with MySQL series. In this video, I will teach you how to create Java application with MySQL database. So here, first in this first video, I will teach you how to create Java class with MySQL setup. So here, let's add Java application here. Then let's name it Java with MySQL. Then here in a package Java with MySQL, let's add Java class. Then let's name it DB connection. Then here let's declare instance variable connection private static, so that it will store in this instance variable is store in memory. Then java.sql that connection. So in this class we can create object here because this is an interface class. So we need to declare variable like this. Then let's create setter and getter for this instance variable. Right click, then refactor, encapsulate fields, make sure that this is checked, then refactor. So we have two methods here, so let's delete this one. Okay, so let's delete this one. Okay, this is our code. Then next is let's create a method, public void get dbcon dbcon. Then let's add synchronize modifier to add block the statement. Then this, then let's add try and catch because we add database setup here inside the try and catch. Then exception, then let's create data source URL, then MySQL no com GDBC, I mean GDBC, then MySQL, then colon, then IP address or localhost, then name of database, for example SIS, then okay, semicolon. Then here let's add driver, so we need to import or call class that lang from java.lang. Then for new method, then let's add driver here, then com, then GDBC, or I mean I forgot, MySQL maybe, then GDBC, then driver. Then next is set connection. We need to add setups to this method parameter con, then driver manager, then get database connection, so this third method here. Then here in the second parameter we need to put our MySQL username for my default username, I put root, then my MySQL password is aldrin. This. Then system, if it is successfully connected, then we add MySQL connected. Okay, then here let's add method here, public, to close our connection, then void close connection, then I hope it will run correctly, then try and catch, then exception. Okay, then print stock trace, then here this, then next is no is okay, con, then close. Okay, so that's it. Then okay, so here we need to add drive MySQL connector, so let's download it. Maven repository, so mbnrepository.com, then in the search box type MySQL, then enter, then this is MySQL connector, click this one, then click this latest version, July 2021. Then to download the connector, click this jar. Okay, it will automatically download the MySQL, then refresh. Okay, keep, so let's refresh. So copy this one. The proper way you to put your library, go to your project. So this is our project here, Java with MySQL. Then inside the project, you need to add folder, then name it library for our jar file library. So this is our MySQL connector. Then let's add library here, then let's click this add jar, then proceed to documents, then project. Every time your project transfer to any directory, it will not error or find missing jar files. So that's how you put your library, Java with MySQL, then library, then click this, then add connector. So here let's run this. Okay, so we don't have yet test to main, so let's instantiate this connection, db con equals new dbcon, then dbcon dot dbcon. Okay, so let's try to run if it is connected. Let's go back to our code here. For example, if it is connected, here we have SIS connect database, so that is we have a database, and this is SIS database. So if this save to memory, then try. If this successfully connected without error, so it proceed to the next line that will print connected. But if there's something wrong with this code, maybe the execution is proceed to catch, then print the stack trace method, then print the error. So let's try to run this one. Run. Okay, so connected, but loading class MySQL JDBC driver, oh no, is this is deprecated, and new driver class is com. Okay, so let's this is the latest driver, so copy this one, then paste to, okay, MySQL driver. We can see this driver in this package here, com MySQL. It's MySQL, then CG, then GDBC, CG, then GDBC here. Then we can find the driver class, driver. Okay, so here, this is the driver that we import to the class. Okay, so this is the driver. Then let's go back, then let's run if there's output. Okay, so connected. Okay, so this is a new driver for name. So thank you guys. For the next video, I will show you how to add query and example of CRUD, create, read, update, and delete. So thank you for watching. I see you next video. Bye bye.